Today I discuss about the plane electromagnetic wave equation in conducting medium. In conducting medium, we are consider the wave equation for conducting medium. Conduction current exists. Let us consider that the uniform linear medium having the dielectric constant epsilon and permeability mu and conductivity sigma. For this, the Maxwell equation becomes for the conducting medium del dot d it is equal to rho, equation number 1, del dot d it is equal to 0, equation number 2, and del cross E it is equal to minus mu del H upon del T, equation number 3, del cross H it is equal to sigma E plus epsilon del E upon del T, equation number 4. But we know that also the charge reside on the surface of the conductor. We know that charge reside on the surface of the conductor. Then volume charge density which will be equal to 0. Because of that volume charge density, rho it is equal to charge distributed per unit volume. Then in the conductor, the charge reside on the surface of the conductor. It means the volume charge density of the conductor will be equal to 0. Then rho it is equal to 0. It means the from equation number 1 del dot d it is equal to 0 and b it is equal to mu h and d it is equal to epsilon E. Then both from equation number 1 and 2 में these value put in this equation number 1 and 2. Then comes del dot E it is equal to 0, equation number 5, and del dot H it is equal to equation number 0, equation number 6. From equation B it is equal to mu H, then which is also comes del dot H it is equal to 0 and D it is equal to epsilon E. In this equations, del dot D it is equal to 0, then D it is equal to epsilon E. This value put in this equations, del dot E it is equal to 0, equation number 5. Equation number 5. For the electric field, taking the curl of equation number 3 both sides, del taking the curl of equation number 3 both sides, then which equation comes? Del cross E, it is equal to minus mu del upon del T del cross H. Then using the vector identity, using vector identity, del cross E, it is equal to del dot E minus del square E, and इक्वेशन नंबर 4 से ये वैल्यू, these value put from equation number 4 and using the identity, vector identity, del dot E minus del square E, it is equal to minus mu del upon del T. अब the value of del cross H from equation number 4, these value put in this equations. These value put in this equation, sigma E plus epsilon del E upon del T, and from equation number 5, del dot E it is equal to 0, then equation becomes minus del square E, it is equal to minus mu sigma del E upon del T minus mu epsilon del square E upon del T square, and minus taking both sides, then equation becomes del square E, it is equal to mu sigma epsilon E upon del T plus mu epsilon del square E upon del T square. Equation number 7. Equation number 7 represent the plane electromagnetic wave equation in conducting media. Equation number 7 represent the plane electromagnetic wave equation for electric field in conducting media. And to find out for the plane electromagnetic wave equation for the magnetic field in conducting media, then taking the curl of equation number 4, both sides, for magnetic field, taking the curl of equation number 4 both sides. Then taking the curl of equation number 4 both sides, which comes del cross H, it is equal to अब ये देखिए इसका हम क्रॉस कर ले रहे हैं बोथ साइड, तो इट मीन्स द डेल क्रॉस एच एंड इट इज इक्वल टू सिग्मा इंटू डेल क्रॉस ई और प्लस एप्सिलॉन डेल अपॉन डेल टी और ये कर्ल ई। सिग्मा डेल क्रॉस ई प्लस एप्सिलॉन डेल अपॉन डेल टी डेल क्रॉस ई। Then using the vector identity and from equation number 3, तो यहां से ये वेक्टर आइडेंटिटी, व्हाट इज द वेक्टर आइडेंटिटी? डेल डॉट एच माइनस डेल स्क्वायर एच, इट इज इक्वल टू सिग्मा फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 3 से क्या है कि माइनस म्यू डेल एच अपॉन डेल टी प्लस एप्सिलॉन डेल अपॉन डेल टी माइनस म्यू डेल एच अपॉन डेल टी। देन फ्रॉम इक्वेशन नंबर 6 से डेल डॉट एच इट इज इक्वल टू 0, देन इट इज कम्स माइनस डेल स्क्वायर एच इट इज इक्वल टू माइनस सिग्मा म्यू डेल एच अपॉन डेल टी माइनस म्यू एप्सिलॉन डेल स्क्वायर एच अपॉन डेल टी स्क्वायर minus both side, then equation which is also comes del square h, it is equal to sigma mu del h upon del t plus mu epsilon del square h upon del t square. Equation number 8. Equation number 8 represent the wave equation for plane electromagnetic wave equation for electric field in conducting media. Equation number 8 represent the plane electromagnetic wave equation for magnetic field in conducting media. Thank you.